How to make barbecue chicken with the microwave gourmet. Barbara Kafka, aka the Microwave Gourmet, is a rare breed, an award-winning chef and cookbook author who embraces the lowly microwave. Here we have her recipe for a fantastic barbecue chicken, no barbecue required. This recipe serves 3 as a main dish. You will need the following ingredients. The cooking times in this recipe are for 700-watt microwaves cooking on full power. Step 1. Mix the sauce.
So we are going to start by making the sauce. We start with the ubiquitous American ketchup, and we have supposed to be dark brown sugar, which has more molasses flavor, but in fact, I didn't have it, so we're using light brown sugar. Use what you have. Then we're adding my favorite, which is 4 cloves of garlic, which have been chopped and minced, cider vinegar, and a ½ teaspoon of kosher salt. Now we're going to add a little bit of red pepper sauce. If you like yours spicier, put more in. If you come from the South and you like more vinegar, put more vinegar in. It's a question of choice, all right?
Step 2. Sauce the chicken.
So we're going to do, this is 4 chicken legs. You want them in a spoke, like a wheel, because the thick part is going to cook more quickly if it's to the edge of the dish that it's supposed to be in. We are going to put on enough sauce to cover these a bit. I would twirl them around myself to get some goop on each part. Play with your food, everything you were told not to do as a child.
Step 3. Cover and cook.
We're going to cover this with plastic wrap, cover this tightly, and we are going to cook this for 7 minutes and 30 seconds. And the oven calls. We've pricked our bubble to let the steam escape. Spoon some of the extra. I used a lot of sauce because I just like it. And it's done. Can't be much quicker and simpler than that.
Done.